Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transcribe a YouTube video with the help of ChatGPT. So here it is. You will need this extension called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT, and you want to go ahead and add it to your Chrome browser. This is just its extension. Add extension, just like so. And now you want to go ahead and click on that bookmark basically, and it will open up this window where you can go ahead and create extension settings. So choose your theme, format, and so on and so forth. But the most important one would be this one, summarize content. So you would know what to click, and also some advanced settings, which is to be visible. So you want to go ahead to make a transcript and summary widget visible, and also summary button on the website visible. Otherwise, you won't see it there. Now I want to go ahead to YouTube, and you will see this transcript and summary. You can find summary article and summarize the video. So let's click on it. Now, after you have clicked on the transcript, to show you a transcript, basically to summarize the video, you will see all of the transcript right there, and you can read it like so if you want, if it's not enough for you to use subtitles and closed captions. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.